Is this thing on? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am sharing with you guys some of my March favorites for body care. These are products that I have emptied and I will be buying again because they are just that good. Without further ado, let's not yap, let's get right into it, okay? So the very first item I want to share with you guys is a body scrub. Now this body scrub is super affordable and you can find it at Walmart. It comes in so many different scents, and this is the one I actually really love the most. It is the Shea Sugar Scrub, and this one is in the scent Juicy Citrus. Y'all can find these at Walmart, okay? Run to your local Walmart. I will link some down below. The citrus one is my favorite. It just gives you a nice juicy feel. It's a nice consistency, and as you can see, it is empty, baby. Okay, I use this thing up. I love this body scrub. It really works really well. There is another brand I use very often, which is the Dove one, but I like this one just a little bit more, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. This tube is pretty big, y'all. If you are looking for an alternative to that expensive behind Tree Hut, get these. Go to your local Walmart or find the link down below and get you some of these. These are the Shea Sugar Scrubs. Again, this is in the scent Juicy Citrus, and it has orange oil and apricot extract. Y'all, please, if you're looking for a really good exfoliator, this is gonna be it. Try this. I guarantee you will end up loving it. All right, so the next thing is something I also use in the shower, and it is a authentic African black soap from Brown Sugar Babe in a liquid form. This is what it looks like. I barely have anything left, but I will be buying this again. I love to use this authentic black African soap when I'm trying to get a real good deep clean. So I usually use this when I'm doing my full body skincare routine at least once a week, okay? I don't use it every single day, but I definitely make sure I use it at least a good once a week, and this is when I'm getting that deep clean. This, along with your African net sponge, baby, you are gonna be squeaky clean. Every other day I would use my regular antibacterial soap and my body wash, but at least once a week I gotta get all up in there, and I use this African black soap. This is also good for discoloration under the arms and in other areas that you may want to brighten or lighten up, not bleach, just brighten or even that skin tone. African black soap helps a lot with that. I like this versus the bar. The bar does last longer. However, to me, this is just such a good little liquid, all right? It looks super liquidy, but baby, it does sud up. The minute you put it on that loofah or that African net sponge, which is how I prefer to use it, it lathers. So a little bit goes a long way, and this is something I absolutely love. The link will be down below. Now those two items are shower items that help take care of the outside of our body. One thing I absolutely love to take care of the inside of me are vitamins. If you are not new here, I am a vitamin and supplement girly, okay? Your girl's always taking vitamins because I really do like vitamins, and I do see a difference in my body, my hair, my skin, my energy when I'm taking vitamins. When I'm not taking vitamins, I can tell. Okay, and these are vitamins that I have emptied. This is the D3 vitamin from Black Girl Vitamins. Y'all, she's empty. I ran this through, and this one had 60 gummies. When I tell you, these gummies taste so good, they literally taste like gummy snacks. Okay, you only need 2 a day, and this is the D3 high protein vitamin D. If you are a black woman and you look like me, here's some information that you need to know about vitamins, okay? We lack vitamin D more than any other ethnicity. Here are some facts about vitamin D3 when it comes to women, specifically black women that look a little bit like me. Okay, so if you know you need a good vitamin, I recommend these. As you can see, she's empty. This is the vitamin D3 from Black Girl Vitamins. And not only that, I do have a coupon code for you guys. Today's video is not sponsored. However, I do have a code where you can save a little bit of coin on your vitamins. All right, so this is something I will always have in my rotation for my vitamins. Vitamin D3 give you that nice energy and everything that you need for every day. Another vitamin I really love to take, which has been helping me with my skin, my hair, and my nails, is the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, also from Black Girl Vitamins. I put it in my little travel case for my vitamins, and I go to work when it comes to my vitamins. I am always taking my vitamins, and that helps you also feel better, look better, and all the things. Definitely repurchasing. I literally only have I have 6 left, so I literally got enough for 3 more days. But baby, my second order is already on the way. Definitely get you some vitamins, ladies. There's so many different vitamins on that website. collagen powder, everyday vitamins, hair, skin, and nails, vitamin D3, whatever you need, check the links below. Get you some vitamins and take care of your body inside and then out, all right? So the next one is going to be a fragrance. Now, I have a lot of fragrance, as we all know, okay? I am a fragrance girly, I'm a fragrance connoisseur, but this fragrance is like pretty much on its last leg, and it is I Am Her from Forvr Mood. When I tell you, every time I wear this fragrance, I feel so pretty, girly, and just, it gives me a type of feeling that I never had before when it comes to my fragrances. I just love the way this makes me feel, okay? It makes me feel hyper girly, hyper feminine. This one right here from Jackie Aina Forvr Mood, it's only $79. You can get it at Sephora. The link will be down below. But this is a body care item that I feel like every girly girl, every woman, every mother, every daughter, every young girl should have a scent like this. Again, this scent to me just screams woman. It screams feminine. It screams girly, and it is very, very distinctive. I don't have a lot of fragrances that smell like this particular perfume, and I love it so much, and it's super affordable, less than $80, which I really, really love, less than $100. It comes in this cute little package like this, but this is a body care item I wanted to share because it is almost done, and again, we are talking about things that I am going to be repurchasing in the next month of April, and this perfume is definitely one of them. I very rarely finish perfumes because I have so many. She's definitely, she's pretty much done, okay? I love this one. This is a 10 out of 10 fragrance. I will buy this again and again. And last but certainly not least, my favorite body lotion, body butter, body milk. When I tell you, this Fenty Skin Butter Drop Hydrating Body Milk got me in a chokehold. Baby, she's empty, and I already got my next package on the way. If you are looking for a very hydrating, listen to me, hydrating body butter, body milk lotion, this is the one. I love this one so much, y'all. It is so very, very nice on the skin. You can put it on at night, you can put it on in the morning. I really genuinely love this one right here. It is not greasy, but baby, when I tell you a little bit goes a long way, you could be as ashy can be. Put a little bit of this on, it's gonna get you right and tight, especially them ankles, those elbows. You wanna really, really get to hydrating. Let me show y'all. Barely have any left, but I already got me another one. Look at this. Do y'all see it? The instant shine? That little bit that, oh my gosh, y'all. Especially if you are somebody who likes to do body scrubs and exfoliate, you need a hydrating lotion. This one is it. Look at the difference. Act like you can't see. Look at the difference. That's crazy. I'm actually like that. If you are looking for a real nice, and then it's not greasy, it just like melts. It just like literally melts away into the skin. Doesn't leave a greasy feeling, and it smells amazing. It smells like an adult baby lotion. I love it. It's so simple. It's so clean smelling. Putting this on your body is a true form of self-care. Take it from me. I promise you, you will not regret it. I love this stuff. I also love the body butter, but the body milk, it's just tea, honey. Please, just listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. Get you the body milk. You'll thank me later. I promise you, you won't regret it. All right, you guys, so that is it. Those are the 5 things that I wanted to share with you in today's video for my March favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will be reading the comments, and if there's something that you think I should have added to the list that you can't live without, or something you just always are going to repurchase once it becomes empty, drop it down in the comments and let's chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all the socials you see right here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Take care. Oh.